Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel AI Basics. And today we are back again with another video of Voicify AI. Voicify AI is a voice AI model which helps you to create different sounds and voices using the app. It is helpful for all the creators and YouTubers out there. Today I'm here to teach you how to log into your Voicify app. In order to log into your Voicify app, first of all you need to open the Voicify app. After opening the Voicify app, you can see email login and SMS login. You can use your email login if you have used your email during sign up process, or you can use your SMS login if you have used your SMS during sign up process. You need to click on email login, as this is the email which we have kept during our sign up process, so you need to keep that same email. And you need to keep the same password which you used during your sign up process. Then you need to click on next. Then a Voicify AI app will successfully be logged in. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And for more teaching videos, do like and subscribe our YouTube channel.